This is Donzia. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be unveiling the daily Cipher Morse code. Without no further delay, let's dive into the video. As you know that you are going to click on the daily Cipher here. So once you click on daily Cipher, our first word is going to be letter L, which is dot dash dot dot. So our next letter is going to be O dash dash dash, then followed by another O dash dash dash. Then our last word is going to be P, which is dot dash dash dot. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace out.